AirPods, the left one stopped working for some reason. And now I just get this blinking green light. If I take it out the case, if I take only the left one now, using one hand, it stops. But the right one still works. I put it back in, it starts blinking again. And it doesn't make any sound. And if you try to reset it by holding this button on the back, well, it should be a blinking white light, but I did something. Now it doesn't even want to connect anymore. But it just keeps blinking white. It doesn't turn orange or anything. And then you release it and it starts blinking green again. And I'm thinking that this happened when it was updating. I had it on the charger at night. It was right next to my phone, and that's how you update it. But when I woke up, it had fell on the ground away from my phone. I'm guessing it interrupted the update for the left one. But I've been looking around online. I don't really see any fix, but I'm about to go get it replaced today. But yeah, if this happens to you, just check it to the Apple Store and they'll replace it. You don't do nothing. It's trash. Look at this. Holding it for 15 seconds. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. All right.